Raindrops fall on broken dreams. Silent whispers at the seams. Memories like rivers stream in the night where hope redeems. Cutting through the silver mist, twilight's gentle fleeting kiss. In the night where shadows twist, finding solace in the wrist. Moonlight shivers on the lake. Heart of glass begins to break. Every breath a tender quake. Feeling every move you make. Written words in quiet tone. Lonely hearts that turn to stone. In the dark we are alone, searching for the love